year. Let's recoup for next year, and let's try to unify everybody, the gangs and everything. If we gotta pay for a motherfucking ceasefire, anything, bring them to the table. We lose a child at the end of the year. But September 8th, she's exactly right. I ain't meaning you right, my bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm rolling right now. But a young man by the name of London Michael B. Getting off the bus, beating up a child that's older than him to have that boy older brother come around the corner and kill this young man in front of his mother. But also it was a conspiracy because they rolled by the house before they went around the back. They rolled by and his dad instructed his own son to hang the gun out the window and shoot at a group of kids. Yes. Yes, it was premeditated murder. And we want those charges upgraded. Not only that, we want a Peggy law. Nothing deal. We don't want nobody shooting firearms in our neighborhood, and your ass ain't paying for it. And especially when you hit a child. Period. And then we thought, okay, let's move around this year. Black History Month. We lose 2 more children. Jamari Rice and Deshaun Hill Jr. We lose 2 more children. As a community, we should be fed up with this shit. We as a community need to start mobilizing. Not just when we hear that a child has been hit. Maybe when Black Lives in the Streets do another event at the Capitol, how about everybody bring y'all ass out there and stand in solidarity with these families? How about that? How about next time we do an event, everybody show up? To show the legislators we ain't playing about our community. Because if we do the event, it doesn't mean nothing if y'all don't show up and stand in solidarity with us. Period. And we rent the whole rotunda out, we want everybody there. Period. We're tired of the game. We're tired of the games. We're tired of our children being shot. Is that the police? Now they want to show up. Now they want to show up. Why nobody wasn't patrolling these neighborhoods while these individuals think it's cool to sit out somewhere, wait for their target, and shoot one of these bullets and hit one of our kids? It don't make sense to us. It is almost like since we fighting police brutality, systemic racism, want to end qualified immunity and statute of limitations, it's like they like, oh yeah, you don't want us here? Well, we're not going to patrol the neighborhood. Let them kill each other. Like they care about us. It's going to take the community. I'm not going to keep telling y'all this shit. It's going to take the community. Everybody, white, black, this just not affecting the North.
If you got a cell phone, please record him while he is interacting with the police for his safety.
Low down, low down, low down, low down, low down.
We're not playing about our community, man. We're not playing about our community, period. And it's kind of cool that the police, how you doing, sir? How about y'all do y'all job and protect our community, man? And I'm not even gonna lie. I wish we had all our street team members here so we can block this intersection off all week. All week. Barbecue right here. Bring a bouncy house right here in the middle of this intersection. I'm so pissed off that we got another child shot in our city, man. Think about it.
Wait, today?
Let that marinate in y'all brains for a minute.
I'm a daycare teacher. I missed
Think about that.
Oh yeah, no, there was a 2-year-old shot in the face.
Understand what we're facing here. We're facing demons. We're facing demons in these people. All the money, resources, non-profits in the world ain't gonna do no good if we don't know how to change these young men's hearts. Or if their hearts ain't ready to change, we're fighting the devil. Who in their right mind would do something to a child, know they made that mistake and not turn themselves in? At least the community will have more compassion when it's time to assist this your motherfucking ass.
Was it here?
Yeah.
Because you're gonna do some jail time. Because we telling y'all again, stop shooting these goddamn guns in these residential neighborhoods. Because we on that. I ain't gonna say we. I don't want nobody implementing no conspiracy, but I'm on that gang shit too. Like real talk. I'm on that gang shit too. And it's called the community. We a new gang. This is the new movement. Go to y'all phones and follow, protect our babies. That's all you gotta do. Go to Facebook and protect our babies. Press it up and follow us. Follow Family Supporting Families Against Police Brutality. Follow Community Needs Community. Follow Safe Streets Now Minnesota. Follow Moms Demands Action Now. Follow those groups. Because now it seems like we're all aligned on the same ideology, and that's the safety in our community. Don't matter who's killing us now. We done action. We done marching and protesting. I swear to God, another child gets shot in our city, it's over with. It's over with. We don't. Matter of fact, we already fed up. We can't even don't even say another gunshot went off somewhere. I'm gonna go crazy out here. We saying we won't say, well, I don't want my child being shot by one of these bullets. I don't know if anybody else, community member, want to say something, but I'm gonna bring my homegirl up to pray us out, or whoever want to speak real quick before we do that. Anybody concerned, feel that there's an issue in our community, and you want to speak out against this instead of you? Okay, here we go. Michael Smith from Community Needs Community.
Hey, I'm grateful to everyone who's out here. This is what it is, what community truly looks like. At the end of the day, we need to stand out here till we get answers about what's going on. I don't care if this child is black or white. This child is 2 years old on critical condition. I see roughly 22 people out here.
Sick.
It's the same few people I see every time something happens. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. You might not like how Marcus's approach is with Black Lives in the Streets, but he's out here. You might not like Todd's approach sometimes, but he's out here. So, I stand with those who stand with the people. My brand is community needs community, I only stand with those who have clout. I only stand with those who are getting funding. I don't care about any of that.
There you go. There you go.
So we can say what we want to, but I'm gonna start challenging other community leaders. Because I know half y'all don't like me anyways, because I speak my truth and I run my mouth. I don't really care.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna stand on 1500 LaSalle when nobody else wants to.
That's right.
We gonna stand with Trinity when nobody wanted to.
That's right.
We was there with LaDavia when nobody wanted to be.
That's right.
We was there with London B when nobody was there.
That's
Except,
right.
but the cameras.
Oh, I remember that day. I remember that day.
So we can either be committed to this community work and take this seriously, or we can wait for Fox 9, 9, 11, 4, 5 to come through, hug each other, pretend to cry, pretend to care, and we don't see you again. I need y'all to take this seriously, man. All of us have kids. All of us have kids. All of us have lives. And we're taking this seriously. Because a 2-year-old baby was shot today. And I don't need to say it any more plain than that. All power to the people.
All power to the people.
Anybody else got a couple words before we bring up, y'all can leave or whatever, y'all can disperse. Like I said, man, it's gonna